Here is my New York City studio apartment in Brooklyn. I have a washer and dryer for the first time ever. It's amazing. And I really like the studio because it's an L shape. That dishwasher. I was really opposed to studios until I saw this exact studio. There's the bathroom, the biggest bathroom I've ever had in New York City. The bathtub is insane. That's my cat's litter box right there. And this is my living room / work from home area. One of my biggest things was that I wanted floor-to-ceiling windows, so I'm so happy about this. I could not afford to have a beautiful view of the city skyline, but I'm still happy with those trees. I see birds all the time, and it makes me happy. And then there's a little nook that we fit like an IKEA closet in, which is great for storage. And yeah, my bed is just here. I haven't really decorated my bedroom yet, but I love the windows, and my cat Sage loves them too. That's like a little park in the amenities space of the building. And there are also shades for privacy, and we added the white curtains actually, just for a more feminine touch. I chose this building because it has a work from home space and so many other amenities. And if you want to see the roof and other amenities, let me know.